S223. I'm going to replace engine mount. This car is the model is 580 S580, and this S580 is coming with M176 V8 engine. So in this car there are two ways to replace the engine mount. First, you have to remove complete subframe, and you have to hold the engine with transmission. Second is remove complete engine, transmission and subframe. So I am going to replace second way, engine, transmission and subframe. So why engine mount is creating vibration? Because of the weak and it's touching with the engine support and creating the vibration because when the engine mount is pressed. So for removing the engine mount, in my way, it's a little bit difficult. Because we have to disconnect a lot of things like coolant line, you have to discharge the AC system, you have to disconnect the axle shaft, knuckle, brake caliper, because we have to free and also you have to disconnect the electrical connector of the wheel speed sensor and subframe bolt, and there are many coolant lines of this car because we have two circuit in the car, low pressure and high pressure. And also this car is equipped with 48 volt technology, so also we have to aware about the safety from 48 volt technology, and we have to do the job.